How to deploy a Lovable app to Netlify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go to the description and click on the link to get the best deal that you can get for Lovable for the lowest price. So let's just go ahead and get back to the video. So it is very simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. First, you want to basically connect GitHub with your Lovable. This is going to basically sync all your projects for Lovable, whether it's going to be websites, apps, you name it, to your GitHub account. So in order to do so, what you want to do is just log into your Lovable and click on the plus icon right underneath the actual chat, and you should be able to find GitHub. So you simply just want to click on that. Next up, what you want to do is just click on add connection and click on add account. This is going to be where you log into your GitHub account and make the connection happen. Now, if you don't actually have a GitHub account, it's free to make one. So just go and make one already, and you can just go ahead and connect it to Lovable like I showed you. Anyways, once you actually connect both, you're going to go to your repository and your GitHub, and you're going to be able to find the project, which is, in my case, this one right here. You don't want to download the code, just leave it as it is and just go to Netlify. Okay, so from Netlify, once you actually sign in, what you want to do is just go to projects, and you're going to find this little intriguing button which says import a Git repository. So you simply just want to obviously select GitHub, and you guessed it, you want to basically log into your account for GitHub and authorize your account with Netlify to make the connection happen. So once you actually connect your account, you're going to basically find all the different repositories that you have, select the one that you want, and I'm just going to use this one right here. And now you simply just want to deploy it. So you can just go and add a project name, and you simply just want to scroll down and deploy Lovable testing stuff in my case, but it's just going to be the name of your project. And that is pretty much it. So now actually whatever you do in Lovable is going to be synced to your GitHub, and whatever is synced with your GitHub is going to be synced with Netlify. So it's always just going to be up to date with no time. So with that being said, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.